My name is Kristen Hicks. I'm the Section Chief for the Plant Tissue Analysis Lab, Waste Analysis, Solutions, and Media Lab. Next, we are going to demonstrate how to take a pour-through media sample. The purpose of the pour-through sample is to determine the concentration of plant-available nutrients in the media itself. The first thing you do is you make sure that your plant is evenly moist but not overly saturated. It should be fully moist but no longer draining water. For a 1 gallon pot, you will take 1/2 cup of water and pour it evenly over the surface of the media. If you're using a 3 gallon pot, then you will use 1.5 cups of water. The water that you use should be the same water that you use to irrigate your plants. As you can see, the water is now draining from the plant. You'll allow the plant to continue to drain until it is fully drained. After the container has fully drained into the receptacle, you'll take the pour-through sample and pour it into a sample container. Ideally, you would collect a pour-through sample from more than one container. As you can see, one container provides very little sample material. Collecting it from more than one pot would allow for more sample material for analysis. Lastly, you will want to label your sample bottle with a name that you will recognize, and then you will want to fill out the solution information form. Most importantly, make sure that the sample ID on the solution information form matches what is on the bottle. For filling out the form, same as with the plant tissue analysis, give us complete contact information. Be sure to submit the $5 for a solution analysis, and then be sure to tell us what it is that you're sending in. The codes for the different types of solutions that we analyze are all at the bottom of the form. In addition to pour-through samples, you can also submit different types of solutions for analysis. We recommend for any grower that they at least annually submit an irrigation water sample. For an irrigation water sample, what you would do is turn on the tap or the emitter and allow it to run for a few minutes in order to clear out the lines. And then you'll fill a plastic water bottle 3/4 of the way to the top for that sample. For hydroponic solutions, be sure you're taking your sample from the emitter and not from the stock tank. Another important tip is to make sure you don't overfill your bottles. We need enough solution material to work with, but if you fill it to the top, it can allow for expansion and the bottles can explode in transit.